Make a great choice today with the 2019 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow, and is priced below $35,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, stability control, cruise control, universal garage door opener, airbags, front knee, trip computer, child safety locks, fog lights, power brakes. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.